Hello students, this is Shrujana madam and today we will discuss chapter 23, 24 and 27 from our GK book. Starting with chapter 23, Popular Games. As we all know, games and sports are an essential part of our life. They keep us healthy and help us in our physical development. Some of the popular games discussed in this chapter are hockey, tennis, badminton, and football. Hockey is the national game of India. Two teams try to hit the ball into the goal with a curved stick. Tennis is basically played by 2 to 4 players with a racket and a ball. The player or team that wins more sets of games is the winner. Similarly, badminton is played by 2 to 4 players with a racket and a shuttlecock. Players hit the shuttlecock with their rackets. Football is the world's most popular sport. It is played by two teams. The players try to kick the ball into the other team's goal. Children, talking about hockey, we have got several famous hockey players from India. And as we know, during these recent times, several movies have also been made on this very sports hockey. Talking about hockey, the famous hockey star from India is Captain Dhyan Chand. Moving forwards to a step further, the question here given is name a pair of famous siblings, children of the same parents who play the same sport. Children, if talking about sibling in a common sense, we can understand it is a thing asked about either brother or sister, or brother and brother, or a sister and her sister. So some famous sports person who are one another's brother or sister or are siblings. Talking of them, we have first Venus and Serena Williams, the famous Williams sisters who play tennis. Similarly, some other sports person who are siblings are Ellie and Peyton Manning. They play football. Bob and Mike Bryan, famous tennis stars. Phil and Tony Esposito, famous hockey players. Pau and Mark Gasol, famous basketball players. Similarly, there are many more, but we can name a few of these. Moving forward towards the lesson number 24, seasons. Generally speaking, seasons are the main periods into which a year can be divided, with each one having their own typical weather condition. Basically, in India, we experience 5 major seasons. They are winter, spring, summer, monsoon, and autumn. For every specific type of weather, we prefer a specific type of clothing. Some of the main seasons which affect our clothing are summer, monsoon, and winter. As we can see here, it is mentioned we wear different clothes and other items during the summer, monsoon, and winter seasons. Look at the items given below and write the correct letters S, M, or W in the boxes. One has been done for you. So looking at these pictures, children, we can see The bit B has got W as we wear blazers in the winter season. Similarly, bit B, it is a cap which we wear mostly in winters. Number C is a gum boot which we wear during monsoons to cover up our feet so that they don't get drenched in rainwater. Moving to bit D, it is a hat which protects us from the heated rays of sun during summer. Moving to bit E, it is a muffler which we commonly use during the winter season. Moving to bit F, it is a frock which is preferred to be worn during the summers. Again, coming down to bit G, it is an umbrella which we carry during the monsoons. Again, bit H, it is a t-shirt which we wear during the summers. Bit I, gloves which we wear during winters. Bit J are sunglasses which we use during the summer season. Bit K are pants or which we call as shorts which we prefer wearing during summers. And bit L is again a raincoat which we prefer wearing during the monsoons or the rainy season. Moving forward to our lesson number 27, here we will read about our solar system. Children, our solar system, the part of which is our planet Earth, is known as the Milky Way or the Akash Ganga. Our Milky Way consists of 8 planets which move around the Sun. As we can look here in this picture, the Sun is the center of the solar system. The first planet, which is also called the innermost planet, is Mercury. Similarly, the only planet with life is Earth. This is very true, children, because Earth is the only planet in our solar system which has got adequate amount of oxygen, air, water, soil, heat, temperature equally balanced to support and sustain life. Similarly, going down towards the biggest planet, we have got Jupiter. The tilted planet is Uranus, and we have the planet with most number of rings, that is Saturn. The hottest planet is Venus, and the red planet is Mars. The coldest planet is Neptune. Similarly, we have several other dwarf planets also. As we can see in the sounds interesting box, thousands of years people did not know about the solar system and believed that the earth was at the center of the universe. Children, in earlier days when science and technology was not developed, people used to believe in several superstitions and myths. Whatever they saw, they thought it to be true. But due to the development of science, now we have proof that Earth is not the center of our universe, but of course, a part of it. Talking about different planets, as we can see, Jupiter is the biggest planet and has 79 natural satellites. Similarly, we have the planet Saturn, whose rings are composed of solid materials like dust and moonlets. Saturn has 82 moons or satellites orbiting it. It has been proven by the US researchers. Similarly, talking about Neptune, it is the coldest planet because Neptune has an overall coldest average temperature. Uranus can also be called a cold planet, but it is not so cold as the planet Neptune. Moving forward towards our red planet, the planet Mars. Mars is called the red planet because of its reddish color. Mars can easily be seen from Earth with naked eyes due to its reddish coloring. This reddish coloring is due to the presence of iron oxide on Mars' surface. So, children, completing all these 3 chapters, we come to the end of the syllabus of our half yearly. Thank you.